Hi friends, welcome back to Push and Pull Day 2. Our checklist for today, we're going to review the objectives, watch the lesson video, complete the assignment, and click Mark as Done on Google Classroom. Our objectives for today. Our content objective is, I can identify which machine is the best fit for the job. The language objective, I can explain why a machine is the best fit for a job. Today we're going to need paper and pencils, markers, crayons, or anything else you have to draw with. If you remember, yesterday we learned about machines and the machines we have at home and school. Today I want you to think about how long would it take to dig a hole for a pool? Pools can be pretty big. How long do you think it would take to dig a hole for a pool?
In today's activity, you're going to dig a big hole. Since we don't have any real dirt here, you're going to use your imagination. First, you're going to dig with a pretend shovel. Then you're going to dig with a pretend digging machine. It's called an excavator. If you've ever dug a hole in the dirt, you know it's a lot of work. Before you start digging, think about the work words that you do. Here's someone digging a hole with a shovel. He's moving dirt from down in the ground to up here in a pile. What's the first thing he does to shovel? Well, let's look. He shoves the shovel down into the dirt with his foot. Shove. That's a work word. It's actually another word for push. And after that, he lifts the dirt up. Another work word. Then what? Then he moves the dirt away from the hole. And last, he tosses the dirt out of the shovel. Now put all these work words together and you get push, lift, move, and toss. Okay, let's try it now with an imaginary shovel. And after that, we'll try it like an excavator. I'll show you how step by step. Stand up and find a spot where you have space to move. When you're done with this step, press the arrow on the right. Get a pretend shovel. Put one end on the ground and get ready to dig. Ready? Go! You're gonna push down. You're gonna lift up. You're gonna move it over and dump it out. Good job! That's one scoop of dirt. Let's do another scoop. Ready? Go! You're gonna push down. You're gonna lift up. You're gonna move it over and dump it out. All right, that's 2 scoops of dirt. Let's do one more scoop. Ready? Here we go. You're gonna push down. You're gonna lift up. You're gonna move it over and dump it out. All right, that's 3 scoops of dirt. Great job. Go to the next slide to see how much dirt you dug. Here's the imaginary hole you dug. Oh, that's a pretty good start. But it's going to take a lot more work to dig a big enough hole for a pool. Could a digging machine help? To find out, go to the next step. Watch what this digging machine does and listen for the work words. Ready? First, it's going to stretch out like this and push down into the dirt. Lift the dirt up, turn, and dump it out. Let's watch that one more time. It's going to stretch out, push down, lift, and turn, and dump it out. Now, let's try it together. Go to the next slide. Now you're going to dig like an excavator, a digging machine. Get ready. Here we go. You're going to stretch out. You're going to push down. You're going to lift and turn and dump it out. Good job. All right, that's 1 scoop of dirt. Let's do another scoop. Ready? Here we go. You're going to stretch out. You're going to push down. You're going to lift and turn and dump it out. All right, that's 2 scoops of dirt. Let's do 1 more scoop. Ready? Here we go. You're going to stretch out. You're going to push down. You're going to lift and turn and dump it out. That's 3 scoops of dirt. Great job. Go to the next slide to see how much dirt you dug. Whoa, look at the hole your digging machine dug. A few more scoops and you'll have a pool. Well done. Go to the next step. Okay, sit down and discuss. If you had to dig a big hole, which way would you do it and why? You've been watching an ordinary digging machine, but this is the world's biggest digging machine. There's a man in this picture. Can you find him? How long do you think that it would take to dig a swimming pool with this machine? You can hear the answer in the next slide. The scoop of this giant excavator is more than twice as tall as the man standing there. That's big. This scoop can lift almost 100 tons of dirt. With a scoop that big, this machine could dig 44 swimming pools in an hour. So it would take a machine like this less than 2 minutes to dig just 1 swimming pool. It does all of this work using pushes, pulls, and other work words, just like you would do if you were digging it by hand. But the machine is bigger, and so are the pushes and pulls. Stay curious, and see you next mystery.
All right, now we have a job to do. For your assignment today, you are going to think about if you had to dig a big hole, how would you do it? The video gave us 2 examples. We can dig it by hand with a shovel, or we can use a big piece of equipment or a big machine with a big scoop to scoop it out. Which one would you use? I want you to draw a picture of how you would dig a big hole with a machine or with your hands with a shovel. Remember, when you're done, you're going to take a picture of your drawing. Okay, so you're going to click Insert, click Image, click Camera, take a picture and put it on the white part of your slide. When you're done, click Mark as Done on Google Classroom. Great job today.